Hi, welcome to this course. This is AutoCAD for civil engineers. So what are you going to learn in the course? You learn about introduction to AutoCAD and also settings that you need to know about so as to improve your professionalism in handling the software. You also learn about how to create simple objects like circle, arcs, because the origin of any object or any drawing is creating objects. You learn about how to modify this object to suit whatever you need. You also learn about annotations of drawings. You learn about drawing organization. This is important. You learn about using layouts to create different styles. You learn about viewports. You learn about how to modify your viewport. Then you learn about plotting. This is very important for your client to understand what you've done. You need to be able to plot your files into different components. Then you also learn about how to create reusable objects. Instead of you creating the same object over time, you can create a reusable object that you use. Once you create it, you save it and you can reuse it in other drawings. Then you also learn about how to share files. If you are working in an organization, you need to share your files within computers. Then why should you enroll for the course? You should enroll for this course for three major reasons. So the first one is you are going to learn the application of AutoCAD to real-life civil engineering projects. So this involves how you can simply apply some of the tools and some of the commands to some engineering practice. Then this is the only course that you get tips in design. When you are working on civil engineering projects, there are some tips that you can quickly use so as to improve, to make you work faster and to improve your professionalism in handling AutoCAD. Then you also learn, this is an opportunity to also learn from practicing civil engineer. There are a lot of tips that you will be involved, that you will be able to get from this course. So I hope to see you in the course. Thanks.